Looking for ways to save money? You're certainly not alone. In a world where financial security is a common goal, the desire to save more is shared by many. Today, we're going to explore 28 proven methods to bolster your bank account, based on the wisdom shared by NerdWallet. From automating transfers to creative gift giving, these strategies are designed to help you make your money work for you. So get ready to shift your financial paradigm. Stay tuned as we dive into these money-saving methods. Let's kick things off with our first 7 strategies. 1. Automating transfers. First up is automating transfers. This means setting up your bank account to automatically transfer a set amount of money into your savings account every month. It's like having a digital piggy bank that grows without you even noticing. 1. Counting coins. Next, we have the classic method of counting coins. Sure, it might seem old school, but you'd be surprised how quickly spare change can add up. So, the next time you find a coin in your couch or car, don't toss it aside. Instead, start a coin jar and watch your savings grow. 1. Preparing for grocery shopping. Now, let's talk about preparing for grocery shopping. Before you hit the store, make a list of what you need and stick to it. This helps you avoid impulse purchases and ensures you only buy what's necessary. 1. Minimizing restaurant spending. Our fourth strategy is minimizing restaurant spending. Eating out can be a fun treat, but it can also drain your wallet. Try to cook at home more often and save dining out for special occasions. 5. Getting discounts on entertainment. Fifth on our list is getting discounts on entertainment. There are plenty of ways to have fun without breaking the bank. Look for discount tickets to movies, concerts, or sporting events, or even consider hosting a game night at home. 1. Mapping out major purchases. Next, we recommend mapping out major purchases. Before you buy anything expensive, do your research. Compare prices, look for sales or discounts, and make sure it's something you truly need and can afford. 1. Restricting online shopping. Finally, our 7th strategy is restricting online shopping. It's easy to get carried away with the convenience of online stores, but try to limit your purchases. If you find yourself tempted, try using the 30-day rule. Wait 30 days before buying something you want. Often you'll find that your desire for the item has, remember, every little bit counts when it comes to saving. Moving on to our money-saving master plan. Let's delve into wisdom from waiting. The 8th tip, which is all about patience. The 30-day rule suggests that delaying your purchases for a month can help you save a significant amount of money. This rule helps you distinguish between your and needs. If you still want the item after 30 days, it might be worth spending your hard-earned money on. Our 9th strategy, gift giving on a budget. It's a wonderful tradition, but it can also be pricey. Instead of buying expensive presents, consider handmade gifts or experiences that create lasting memories. This not only saves you money, but adds a personal touch that your loved ones will appreciate. Now, on to the automobile economics, the 10th strategy about lowering car costs. If you own a car, you know that it can be a significant expense. But did you know you can save money by refinancing your car loan or shopping around for cheaper car insurance? Refinancing can lower your interest rate, and comparing insurance policies can ensure you're getting the best deal. Our 11th tip, online shopping restraint. It's easy to spend more than you intend when you have the world of online shopping at your fingertips. Setting limits for yourself can keep your spending in check. Planning for bigger buys is our 12th strategy. Whether it's a new appliance or a vacation, planning ahead and budgeting for big-ticket items can prevent you from into debt. Next, we have grocery shopping smarts, the 13th tip. Making a list and sticking to it can prevent impulse purchases that add up. Lastly, dine-in savings is our 14th point. Eating out less and cooking at home more can save you a surprising amount of money. These strategies, you can see your savings grow in no time. Ready for more? Here are the next 7 tips for saving money. Title: Smart Grocery Shopping. Tip number 15 suggests the simple yet effective strategy of preparing for your grocery shopping. Instead of wandering aimlessly through the aisles, come prepared with a list. You'll be less likely to make impulse purchases and more likely to stick to your budget. Title: Reduced restaurant spending. Next, tip 16 advises minimizing your restaurant spending. Dining out can be a treat, but it can also put a dent in your wallet. Opt for home-cooked meals more often, and when you do dine out, consider looking for specials or coupons to save a few bucks. Title: Budget-friendly entertainment. Our 17th tip is all about being savvy with entertainment. Who said having fun has to be expensive? Always be on the lookout for discounts on concerts, movies, and other forms of entertainment. Sometimes a little research can go a long way in saving cash. Title: Planning Major Purchases. Moving on to tip 18, we suggest that you map out your major purchases. Whether it's a new car or a home renovation, planning ahead can help you budget and save. Do your research, compare prices, and make sure you're getting the best deal. Title: Restrict online shopping. For our 19th tip, we suggest putting limits on your online shopping. It's easy to get carried away with the convenience of one-click purchases, but try to limit yourself. Consider using a website blocker if you're finding it difficult to resist the temptation. Title: The 30-Day Rule. Number 20 is all about waiting before you buy. If you're considering a non-essential purchase, wait 30 days. If you still want it after that period, go for it. You'd be surprised at how often you'll change your mind. Title: Creative gift giving. And finally, our 21st tip encourages you to get creative with gifts. Instead of buying expensive presents, why not make something yourself? It's not only cheaper, but also more personal and meaningful. Remember, saving money takes time and consistency. Stay tuned for our final 7 tips in the next scene. And finally, our last batch of money-saving tips. Tip 22, termed as Automate Your Savings, is all about setting up automatic transfers from your checking to your savings account. This way, you won't forget or be tempted to skimp on your savings each month. Next up, tip 23, Count Those Coins, talks about the potential accumulation of considerable amounts through loose change. Create a jar for your coins, and every time it fills up, deposit it into your savings account. Our next advice, tip 24, Smart Grocery Shopping, pushes for preparedness before grocery shopping. Make a list and stick to it. Avoid impulse buys and try to do your shopping when you're not hungry. This can significantly cut down on unnecessary spending. Tip 25. Cut down restaurant expenses. Advises minimizing restaurant spending. Try to cook at home more often, and when you do eat out, opt for less expensive options or split dishes to save money. Following up, tip 26. Creative entertainment encourages you to get creative with your entertainment. Look for discounts or free events in your city, host a movie night at home instead of going to the cinema, or explore the great outdoors. Tip 27, Plan your purchases, advises you to map out your major purchases. Planning ahead can help you save up and avoid going into debt. It also gives you time to shop around for the best price. And finally, tip 28, Restrict online shopping, warns about the dangers of online shopping. It's easy to get carried away with the convenience of online shopping, but try to limit yourself. A good rule of thumb is to delay purchases with the 30-day rule. If you still want the item after 30 days, then consider buying it. And there you have it, 28 ways to save money, each with its unique title and focus. We've covered a lot of ground today, and we hope these tips will help you on your journey to financial freedom. From automating transfers and counting coins, to prepping for grocery shopping and minimizing restaurant spending, we've highlighted 28 proven ways to boost your savings. We've also touched on how getting creative with gifts, delaying purchases with the 30-day rule, and mapping out major purchases can help you keep more money in your pocket. And let's not forget about the potential savings from lowering car costs through refinancing and shopping around for insurance. But remember, saving money isn't just about the big things, it's the small, consistent efforts that really add up over time. Whether it's restricting online shopping or hunting for entertainment discounts, every step you take towards frugality is a step towards financial freedom. These are just a few of the strategies you can use, but the key is to find what works best for you and stick with it. Saving money is a journey, not a destination. It's about making smart choices and being mindful of where your money is going. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Mylock's World for more financial advice. Remember, every penny saved is a penny earned. Thanks for watching and happy saving.